Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with an exciting, innovative new product for your GM body. Many of our UMI friends run the Quick Performance axle housing. We now have a heavy-duty solution to mount the coilovers to the Quick Performance axle housing. So, heavy-duty construction, laser cut, made in USA by us, features a double shear lower mount with ride height adjustability there, so you can adjust it on the bracket as well as on the coilover. The lower mount is here. The upper mount is once again double shear, fits the 1/2 inch bolt, 2.5 inch standard racing rear coilover. In our case, we prefer Viking Performance, but it will actually fit really any coilover that's intended for that type of application. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.